Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to get you up to speed on safe quality food, or SQF audits. We've created easy-to-use checklists and we'll take you on a guided tour of the SQF fundamentals overview. We're also going to explore 4 specific checklists: basic and intermediate primary production, and basic and intermediate manufacturing. Whether you're a small site or a growing manufacturer, this information will help you establish a HACCP-based food safety program. But remember, this is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional advice. Let's get started. Welcome to UpKeep's Safe Quality Food, or SQF Audit Series, where we provide you with easy-to-use checklists to guide you on your SQF audit journey. Before we dive in, please note that the information shared here is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical or health advice. We'll be taking a look at the general SQF fundamentals overview, and we'll be exploring 4 specific checklists: basic primary production, intermediate primary production, basic manufacturing, and intermediate manufacturing. The SQF fundamentals pathway is designed for small or medium-sized sites and growing manufacturers who are just starting out on their food safety journey. It's a cost-effective audit process that's also suitable for sites that don't have a buyer requirement for a specific audit type, but are looking for a HACCP-based food safety program. Why is this important, you ask? Well, the fundamentals pathway serves as the foundation for building a food safety program. While it's not Global Food Safety Initiative or GFSI benchmarked, it acts as a prerequisite to programs that are. These certifications would include the Edition 8.1 Food Safety and Food Quality Program, which are more advanced SQF certifications. Now let's talk about what a fundamentals audit entails. The basic certification is an entry-level certification that focuses heavily on the implementation of the code requirements and less on documentation. On the other hand, the intermediate certification is for those who've completed the basic certification or already have a food safety program in place. For the intermediate code, there is an introduction to documentation, but implementation is still the major focus. No matter where you are in your SQF certification journey, preparing for that first audit is key. Utilizing a checklist based on what the auditor will be looking for can help you stay prepared. Moving on to the specifics of each checklist. The basic primary production checklist addresses the requirements of all modules in SQF Fundamentals for Primary Production Basic Edition 1. Sites working towards this certification must document, implement, and sustain the system elements of Module 2, in addition to the food safety fundamentals defined in the Module 7, based on the facility's food sector category or categories. Next up, we have the Intermediate Primary Production Checklist. This checklist addresses the requirements of all modules in SQF Fundamentals for Primary Production Intermediate Edition 1. Sites working towards this certification must document, implement, and sustain the system elements of Module 2, in addition to the food safety fundamentals defined in the Module 7, based on the facility's food sector category or categories. Up next is the Basic Manufacturing Checklist. This addresses the requirements of all modules in SQF Fundamentals for Manufacturing Basic Edition 1. Sites working towards this certification must document, implement, and sustain the system elements of Module 2, in addition to the food safety fundamentals defined in Module 11 based on the facility's food sector category or categories. Lastly, we have the Intermediate Manufacturing Checklist. This checklist addresses the requirements of all modules in SQF Fundamentals for Manufacturing Intermediate Edition 1. Sites working towards this certification must document, implement, and sustain the system elements of Module 2, in addition to the food safety fundamentals defined in the Modules 11 based on the facility's food sector category or categories. Thank you for watching this video on safe quality food audits. We've covered the SQF fundamentals overview, the 4 specific checklists, and how they can help you establish a HACCP-based food safety program. Remember, these resources are for informational purposes only and should not replace professional advice. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay safe and happy auditing.